now I want to turn to the Dow, where I am taking a look at Boeing. That stock is off 8.9%. This is a 10-year view. Let me just give you a year to date while I give you some of the details from this morning's earnings announcement. Now, number one, it's having its worst day since May, off nearly 10% at the lows today. And that's after reporting a miss on profits and sales. And this is not helped by a $2.8 billion worth of losses in defense. And that's due to cost overruns on military contracts, including the refueling of Air Force One. So you got to think maybe they're not hedging their fuel costs the way they should, or maybe it's just in the contracts. Nevertheless, you can see these losses really varying by business segment here. Also, we got some selling underway during the session after they cut their 737 delivery goals. And they said it may drop the 737 MAX variants unless a critical certification deadline in the U.S. is extended. We've seen these problems, Dave, before for Boeing. They just kind of happen in clusters. And you can see on this chart on the Wi-Fi Interactive, this is a year-to-date chart, didn't take out the May, June, July lows right here. So we do have a successful retest of that bottom, but we are heading down in a big fashion, and it's kind of reminiscent of some of those big down days that we had back when they had those original problems with the 737 MAX, Dave.
Going through the report, there is something to like. Of course, the commercial unit revenue is up 40%, and they delivered 112 planes. That's up from 85, so they're making some progress there, but they did cite continued supply chain issues through next year is their expectation, so clearly not out of the woods yet.